mount your camera on a tripod using portrait mode. After that, walk in, then make a seat. Sit down for some seconds. Sit down for some seconds. Then after that, you stand up. Then you move. Do as if you are short. You fall back. Then you stay there for some few seconds again. Then you stand up gradually. You stand up gradually. You can see what I am doing. Do it gradually. Then as you stand up now, move front a bit. Just walk gradually to the front. At this point, turn as if you are looking at somebody on the ground, someone lying down. Then you turn, you do as if you jump up. Then you stay there for some few seconds again. Then after that, you walk out. After that, you move out. Come back for the second time. Then do as if you are waving somebody, imaginary waving. You imagine as if you are waving somebody not to move, as you see me do. Then after that, you turn, you can shake your head, then you walk out from the scene. Save the video to your gallery and head over to Capcut. Capcut, bring down new project. Import the video you just recorded. Then at this point, adjust the video. At this point where you sat down, click on the video, make a split. Click on this first part, delete it, we don't need it again. Then you keep adjusting, keep going front. At this point where you are about to stand up, locate this place where you are about to stand up. Click on the video, make a split. Then look for overlay. Go and look for overlay, guys. Then click on overlay. Click on this first layer, the first layer. Go and look for freeze. Click on freeze. Click on this one. Click on this one and drag it. Then you come back now. Locate this point where you are about standing up. That is where you are going to put this one. Where you are about standing up, give a little space, because you want to add the thunder, the lightning and everything. Give a little space. Then at this place where you are about standing up, go underline it to that point where you are about standing up. Click on it. Go and look for remove BG. Locate remove BG. Go and look for look at remove BG here. Click on it. Click on auto remover. You allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed it completely. Click on this good and go back. Mark on that good, go back. Then at this point, allow the video to play. At this point, allow the video to play. Allow it to play. Keep going front. Yes. After looking at yourself, this place where you did as if you want to jump up now, go and locate keyframe. Click on keyframe. Then adjust the video. Use your hand to push this one up. As you are adjusting the video, you are pushing it up. The keyframe will be adding automatically. Your own is just to be adjusting the video and pushing it up. Yes. So you are adjusting the video, you are pushing it up. The keyframe will be adding automatically. Keep pushing it. Then when you get to this point now, you push everything. Push it. Then let's just see. Then come here, click on the video, click on it, make a split, delete this part. Then you go back, click on this one to see where you started adding your key. Look at this second key. At this point where the second key is, click on this very arrow and go back. Then click on overlay. Import this video again. Then keep adjusting the video. You want to locate that place where you run in, where you are waving your hand that you should come down. Locate that place. This place. As you are running in, click on the video, make a split, delete this part, we don't need it again. Click on this one and hold. Go back, go and locate that very place, the second key. Look for the second key. Click on this one to see the key. You click it and align it to the second key. Look at second key here. Drag it back. Click on that second layer to see the key. At this point where it is now, yes. At this point, what we shall be doing now is to click on this one make it to fit the screen. Yes, as you can see me do, click on it, make it to fit the screen, then come and click on this one, look for remove BG. Look for remove BG, click on remove BG, auto remover. Allow it to remove completely. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good and go back. Now let us play the video and see how it is. Good. This is good. Then you come back now. You come back immediately. You walk out from the scene. This one that is carrying baby. Immediately you walk out from the scene. Click on the video. Make a split. Click on this one. Make a split. Delete this part. Click on that one. Delete it as well. Let's see what we have got. Let's see what we have got. Let us see what we have got, guys. Let's see what we have got. Just watch the video patiently. At the point of watching it, if there is any mistake, then you calm down. You have seen what I've showed you. You calm down, then you make the necessary adjustments. Let's see. Yes, this is good. This is good. But at this point, you cannot export this video. Reason being that you use a Pro Features, which is auto remover. In one of my videos there, I've shown you how to use a Pro Features for free. Watch that video. You come back here so that you will see how you can export this your video. Click on export now. Let's see what you have to tell us. Click on export. Yes, as you click on export, look at it. You are using a Pro Feature. For this reason, you cannot export it. So what you are going to be doing here is just to go and on your screen recording. On your screen recorder and come and record this video. Watch my video and come back and see how you can export it. Okay? Yes, I've put you through on how and everything you are going to do to be able to export this video. When you on your screen recording, you record everything. After recording it, you go back, it will save in your gallery. Go to your gallery, go and crumple it. After crumpling it, you import it back to Capcut. Then you come to Capcut and work on it. In fact, locate that my video, watch it. It will take you step by step. It will teach you step by step how you can import this video. Then after that now, then you export this video. Then the next thing is to add those things you saw on the video. The sound, the thunder, the lightning, and everything, so on and so forth. If you don't know how to do those ones, my phone number is at the description of this video. DM me, then I will put you through. For you to watch up to this point, you have found some values in the video. Why not give us a thumbs up? Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Thank you. Stay safe.